Now let's move on to The Tiger's Bride by Angela Carter influences on underwritings and analysis. So, this focus on its influences on other literary works and its feminist literary analysis. So the story is a well known for challenging traditional fairy tale ideas and presenting themes of empowerment, identity, and transformation. Influence of feminist literature. So, Angela Carter influenced feminist literature because she presented women as strong and independent characters rather than passive figures. So, in The Tiger's Bride, the heroine gains control over her own identity and choices. Angela Carter's writing inspired other feminist authors to rewrite stories from women's perspectives and challenges patriarchal ideas in literature. Influence on fairy tale retellings. So, Carter's transforms traditional fairy tales into darker and more meaningful narratives. Instead of focusing only on romance and happy endings, she explored themes such as gender, sexuality, and identity. So, because of this, many modern writers began retelling fairy tales in more critical and temporary ways. Influence on Gothic and postmodern fiction. So the story combines Gothic imagery, fantasy, symbolism, and magical realism. So Carter's unique writing styles influence postmodern authors who experience with narrative structure and identity. So her works also showed that fantasy can be used to criticize society and question traditional beliefs. Influence on contemporary women's writers. So Angela Carter's influenced many contemporary women writers such as Margaret Atwood and Jeanette Winterstone. So, like Carter's, these writers often discuss themes of female empowerment, transformations, and freedom from societal expectations. So, her works continue to inspire feminist and contemporary literature today. Feminist literary theories analysis. So, the story using feminist literary theory, the story can be seen as a critique of patriarchal society. At the beginning, the heroine is treated as property when her father gambles her away to the beast. So this shows how women are often objectified and controlled by men in society. Transformation and empowerment. So the heroine transformation symbolized liberation and self-acceptance. Unlike traditional Beauty and the Beast stories where the beast becomes human, Carter reverses the narrative by transforming the heroine instead. So this suggested that freedom comes from rejecting society's expectations and embracing one's true identity. So overall, Angela Carter uses feminist ideas to challenge traditional gender rules and criticize patriarchal control. So, The Tiger's Bride highlights themes of empowerment, identity, and freedom, making it an important work in feminist and postmodern literature.